Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable desktop mode in your Realme smartphone from your Chrome or Google any app. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the Chrome. And then you have to click on this three dots. You can see. Then you have to go to settings and swipe down. You can see there is a option site settings. Click on that option, then swipe down, and friends, you can see there is a desktop site mode. You can see this computer, here it is, desktop site. If you have to enable, then you have to click on this. And friends, when you just click on any of the website like this, you can see it opens in a desktop mode, not in a mobile mode. You can, if you want to change desktop mode and in simple mobile mode, then you have to go to settings option, swipe down site settings, and swipe down. You can see there is a desktop site, it is a computer icon. You can see here it is. You have to disable this feature, and when you just press back and then you have to reload the site, you can see it is in now mobile view. This is how you can change it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.